Welcome to MacGregor Cargo System Insights. Today we talk about MacGregor Cargo Solution. MacGregor Cargo Solution means that all parts of cargo system on container vessel are coming from MacGregor. We have here a nice curve. Atte, can you a little bit explain about how we see this?
Yeah,
thing?
this is actually a nice curve. This explains very well what means that you make early stage lot of investment decision, discussion, and then you make a system together for your purpose. That's the core meaning, and I'm meaning now this in a pre-sales stage. Lot of discussion before make a decision, and then if look in this red curve, so the investment can be a little bit more or same, but to the right points, to the right items, and then the vessel start make earnings.
Okay, so we come from construction phase here to operations.
Yeah. And then we can also think that okay, the life is not ending if you are not make a right decision in the beginning. So you can do the cargo boost and start again to the right operation with your fleet.
You later on upgrade the cargo system.
Yeah, but the nice thing is that if you make a right decision in the beginning, then your vessel serving best in its lifetime.
Yeah, next 25 years. So, Mikko, let's say that you are doing construction there. How you would do it so that it's a solution project?
Basically, it's very hard to make the building spec so that you get every detail right at the first. But here at MacGregor, we know the best solutions for each component in the container vessel. So when we do the solution, we take all the best practices, which are the best considering the whole vessel lifetime, regarding hatch covers, lashing bridges, and all the lashing system.
Yes.
Yeah. We see about 200 inquiries every year, and we know all the classification society and differences. So from that point of view, you can take best out.
Yeah, exactly. And also we have the service, and we know the after the contract what happens with the vessel and how it performs.
So it's not just the delivery and 1 year guarantee. It's all thinking the lifetime of the vessel.
Exactly.
Yeah. And also we have Tero here, Captain Tero, and we have some clue of operations therefore. So I think maybe you have had crew trainings and compatibility checks for our customers. So can you tell a little bit how those help in solution?
Yeah, basically when in the early phases there's already a lot of attention put into the operational phase. So the design can be the best possible. And then in the operation phase, when we ensure that the people on board and in the owner's office, they know how the system is being handled with, and we make sure that the software is in line with the cargo system hardware design. So we really focus on the operational efficiency in that case, and make the vessel have a smooth start from day one.
Yeah, maybe we can go to next slide, because there is now a starting point. Containers are in the air. You have to transport those containers from point A to point B. So what next?
Yeah, I mean, if thinking that the container vessel and performance of that one, then there is a cargo system, hull, and engine. So how to maximize the cargo intake, that's our part. How to save fuel and make that one, those are the other companies. But we can build together with the shipyard the system so that we are creating the best lashing bridges, hatch covers, lashing geometry, etc., and then implementing that one also later on to the loading computer lashing module.
Yes, and if we go to sustainability, CO2, then I think, Tero, you have been doing some research about that, how cargo system effects on the CO2 emissions?
Basically, it's still the case that you calculate how much fuel you spend per carried TEU. So when we maximize the TEU capability, we also reduce the emissions per transport unit.
Yeah.
So same fuel you can carry more.
Yeah, exactly. And if you are thinking that you have wide body vessels and so on nowadays related to that one, so those are really good for the carrying the cargo if you can keep those on deck.
Exactly.
Mikko, how in practice we are doing this? Now, if somebody is coming to you and asking that, okay, I would like to maybe make the solution, what is the steps you follow after that?
Well, basically, we want to know what kind of cargo they are carrying. So how many containers, what type of containers they want to carry, what size of vessel, which ports they want to enter. Depending on what kind of information we receive, then we can design the best system.
Okay, but cargo profile is the number one.
Yeah, exactly. So then we can get into the details. So how high lashing bridge they want and what kind of lashing system do they need.
And also we can a little bit analyze the flexibility, that if something changed, so how flexible that one is for the other cargo, etc. So from that point of view,
Then usually when we are speaking about the cargo solution with our customers, there is some discussion that it's not so easy because you have to, it's not easy, let's say someone that everything is coming from the one company, because earlier there has been the idea that all the smallest parts are coming from different suppliers and you can pick the best offers there. How we can tackle this thing?
Yeah, this is very good question, and it requires a strong will. So you need a strong will, and you needs a good negotiating with the shipyard so that they want to buy this ship with this kind of system. So otherwise it's not possible.
Yeah. I think, Mikko, you said it well. It's really a system. It's not only a matter of a single component or one of two components, but it is really a total system that needs to be considered.
Yeah, and if you are splitting, then you are losing the control, and then basically the idea behind it's losing.
Yeah.
And nobody taking care of the responsibility that how well it's performing, because when we are analyzing early stage, then our commitment is to that one, and then we are following all the way to the end when the vessel is delivered, and also after that one we are looking at how well the designed system is performing.
Yes, so the brave ship owner can earn more doing this.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.